Hi guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take you to Sprouts and let's go take a look at all the veggies and produce that you need to buy for your next juice. So today I went to Sprout and I bought some fresh spinach, kale, red beets, which are my favorite, avocados, fresh oranges, some ginger, some new protein snacks, which are protein balls, which I will be tasting and giving you guys feedback on that. So that's a typical day of me going to Sprouts. I truly enjoyed it and I hope you guys too. This rice is absolutely amazing. It's low in glycemic, got a ton of fiber. Basmati rice, gotta get this. If you found my video helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon.